can see we have the 7 chakras here and the special energy flow in the body, and we like to improve this energy flow. We like to improve this flow. It is called the Qi channel, the energy channel. And if the energy in our body is flowing, then our body starts to heal itself, starts to rejuvenate, to regenerate, to prevent also for sicknesses. So it's very important that we help our body, that this energy can flow. And we see different sounds here that we can chant. We will do it shortly again to promote this energy flow, to help this energy flowing. And let's go also again into the special field of calligraphies. We have here the calligraphy, the writing for love. It is called love each other, Xian Ai in Chinese. And in the middle is Ping An, it's the peace inside ourselves, but also the peace between ourselves, between people, between countries. And also here on the left side is Hexie, which means harmony. So all these 3 writings are having a special energy, and this energy is also healing ourselves, is healing the body. So we can use this energy of the calligraphies also if we have a special wish. If we say, oh, I like to have more energy, or I like to have more health, or I like to, like some of you, like to develop my capability to speak again. I like to speak again. Or I like to, whatever I wish, I can give the wish into this energy field, and this energy field comes and helps me to develop more health, more energy, whatever I wish. And I will do it to connect for all of us in singing again my heart song, my soul song, which comes from my heart and soul. Just the sounds that are coming out without thinking. And you all can connect with this healing field of the calligraphies. You can leave your hands on your belly, on your below the navel. Just relax. Just breathe in normally. Just observe your breathing. Connect with Mother Earth. Connect with heaven. With all the sun, the moon, all the stars, and all saints that we are connected with. Please come and join. And you just can relax now in the next minutes, as I'm offering this blessing through the calligraphies to you. Hey, ya, you. Hey, ya, you. Hey, ya, you. Hey, ya, da. Ya, da, da, do. Ya, da, da, he. Hey, ya, you. Hey, ya, you. Ya, he, ya, ya, you, ya, you. Hey, ya, ya, you. Hey, ya, Relax fully. Feel the light coming from Mother Earth, from Mother Nature, nourishing us. But feel also the light coming from heaven, from all stars, all universe. And all this light goes down in our lower abdomen, below our navel, and there starts a golden light ball. A golden light ball starts to be formed there. And this is what we are doing with the sounds, that we are chanting the sound Hey to form this golden light in our lower abdomen again.
Hey, hey, hey. 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 Hey,
Hey, hey, hey, hey, hey. And you just relax. Just breathe in and breathe out. Still feeling the light, this golden light ball in our belly, in our lower abdomen. A little sun shining there. And we are holding the sun with our hands on our belly. And the sun is nourishing us, giving us energy, healing energy, relaxing energy, energy that is protecting us, energy that is preventing sickness. We know from the traditional medicine in China and Tibet, and probably also in your traditional medicine, that where the light goes, all the blood and all the body is following with healing. So first we are building our foundation so that we are having enough light to heal ourselves. Just relax. And at the end, I'm sharing with you a video that I have on. It's free for everyone to use on YouTube. It has a special healing energy you can always listen to. It's with the calligraphies, and you can just feel the healing coming to you. Just relax. Receive the healing. Close your eyes for the last minutes. This is what we can do. Every day we can connect every day with these beautiful, powerful practices for self-healing. We can connect with the love, peace, harmony calligraphies that I was sharing with you before. There's the video on YouTube you can always listen to, and also to receive this beautiful healing frequency. And yeah, I would be very happy if we can join weekly, and I'm allowed to support you with all these practices of meditation and self-healing. And I'm sure we will have a beautiful time together where you all can feel more energy, and you all can feel more confidence that the power within us is there, that we are all having the power to heal ourselves, and together we can heal each other, and together we can heal the world. And this is so beautiful if we connect together and if we help each other in self-healing, in growing, and also in prevention. And I'm very happy that I was allowed to have this hour with you. Thank you so much.